Good day, our wonderful learners at home. You're welcome to Adewale Kayode online class, and we are still on our section solving questions from past question. Let's see this question from Wassce 2019 number 8 theory question on inequality. We have 1 over 3x minus 1 over 4 into x plus 2. Everything is greater than or equals to 3x minus 1 whole number 1 over 3. So what do you do? How do we solve this? The first thing to do is that you have seen a mixed fraction. So the first thing is to complete this fraction into an improper fraction. So let's first of all do that. That's 1 all over 3x minus 1 all over 4 into x plus 2 greater than or equals to 3x minus, convert this is 3 multiplied by 1, which is 3 plus 1, and that will give us 4 over what? 3. Now, after this now, the next thing to do now is to clear this fraction. How do you clear this fraction? If you want to clear this fraction, you need to look for the LCM of all the denominators. How many denominators do we have here? We have 3, 4, and 3. That means we have 3 and what? And 4. And what is the LCM of 3 and 4? Great, 12. So let's multiply this fraction through what? 12. So I have 12 in 3 places. That is the first one is what? 12 multiplied by 1 over 3x minus, this is also another fraction, another expression, that is 12 multiplied by 1 over 4 into x plus 2 greater than or equals to, this is also another value there. So we are going to multiply this again by what? By this 3x minus this last one too. We are going to multiply that, since we have said we are to multiply through 12. So this in this, great, that will give us 3 in 12, that is 4. 4 in 12, that is 3. Then what else again? 3 in 12, that is what? 4. So within 1 minute, we have just cleared that fraction. We are left with 4 here multiplied by 1s, which is 4x minus 3 multiplied by this. That means into everything that we have inside that bracket greater than or equals to 12 multiplied by 3s, and that will give us 36x minus 4 multiplied by 4, and that will give us what? 16. So let's clear this fraction quickly. We are this bracket, that's 4x minus 3 multiplied by this, that's 3x minus and plus, sign of different, that is minus 3 multiplied by 2 will give us 6 greater than or equals to 36x minus what? 16. At this juncture now, you are expected to collect the like term. Collecting the like term means all those with what? With letter, you take them to the left hand side. Those with figure to the what? Right hand side. So at this point, we have 4x minus 3x. All these are still with what? With variable x. Then bring in this 36, that's minus what? 36x greater than or equals to, we have minus 16 here already. Then when this minus 6 cross that inequality sign, it becomes plus what? Plus 6. So let's let this 4x minus 3x, you have 4 naira and you owe 3 naira. That means you still have what? 1x minus 36s. So we have 1x minus 36s greater than or equals to minus 16 plus 6. You owe 16 naira and you have 6 naira. You have to go and pay that 6. Then we are left with debt of what? Of 10. Now let us continue from the other side. We have 1x minus 36x greater than or equals to minus 10. Now, you have 1x and you are owing 36x. You need to go and pay that your 1, and you'll be left with minus what? 35s greater than or equals to what? Minus 10. At this juncture, you want to divide both sides by negative. Don't forget, anytime you are dividing or multiplying with what? With negative under inequality, you have to do two things. You do your normal division and make sure you change that inequality sign. So divide both sides by minus 35 and change the sign. And what sign do we have here? We have greater than or equals to. It will be changed to less than or what? Or equals to. So we now have minus 35x greater than or equals to minus 10. Let's divide it. Don't forget, I said once you are doing this, you are going to change the sign. Let me see now. Can you see that? And the sign will become less than or equals to. So divided by minus 35 minus 35. So this will cancel this. Then we now have x is less than or equals to. This minus will cancel this minus. What can go? 5. 5 in 10 will give us 2. 5 in 35 will give us what? 7. Then therefore, our x will be less than or equals to 2 over what? Over 7. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and make sure you hit the notification button to get notification anytime we have a content that can assist you in mathematics. And please, I'm going to put an exercise under this. Solve the exercise, which is also one of the questions on inequality from past question, and drop your answer under the comment box. Thank you and God bless you.